Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be replacing the standard dust cap, I guess you could call it, that came on the 2018 Ram 2500 Cummins, and this plastic def cap here. I don't know why it didn't come with a cap, or it just came with just a dust cap. I'm not sure why that's a thing, but that's all that was in there when I got the truck not too long ago. So what I'm going to do is replace it with these better caps. I guess the metal one I ordered on Amazon came within a couple days. They're more sturdy. Obviously this one's going to be better than just a cap, and I think they're just a little bit cooler. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on, and we'll take a look at it when it's all put on. Alright, I got the two caps on, and it looks a hell of a lot better than it did before. More sturdy. This cap is on there pretty snug. I mean, you got to give it a good pull to get it out of there. So I'm pretty happy with it. I know there's a couple versions of this cap. This one kind of has got like the little rim around here. I think the def one is pretty standard, but I know there's a couple different versions of this one. In fact, I thought I ordered a different version. I guess I hit the wrong one, but either way, still better than it was before, and I like it. I dig it. So yep, you can find them on Amazon. I think the combo was 25 or 26 bucks on Amazon, and it's better looking, and it probably serves a better protection than the ones that came with. Thanks for listening.